Hey everybody, we are back.
Holy
Ooh.
shit.
Hey, welcome back to a Metalhead's Journey. Hey, we've been riding the Avatar train here for a couple of weeks, and we've been getting a lot of good feedback from it, and we continue to get a ton of really cool recommendations. And so we thought, hey man, let's just keep the party going. So today we are going to do a reaction to the Avatar song called "Hail the Apocalypse," which is from the album "Hail the Apocalypse." Dave, let's fly.
Here we go. I called it.
Yeah.
Stink face riff, baby. All right.
Ooh, I like the drums. Hey,
Damn, this dude's playing an actual bass.
All right. All right.
this is good.
Yes. All right. That's not where I expected it to go.
Dude, that riff.
I know, it's cool. It's got like a little happiness with it along with this super brutal vocal. Ooh. That's fucking good.
Dude, I want to like jump out of my fucking chair.
This is a children's show, Dave.
I'm sorry.
We can't show erections on screen.
That's right. Good band.
Dude, that is...
That is a that
What
is
do you-
a very good riff.
What a unique band, man.
Here we go. Are we gonna get a solo?
I'm down. Pretty sure we
I
will.
think somebody said this one had a good solo in it. That was nice.
That was really good.
I'll change up.
Dude, I'm sure live this song kills.
Oh, no. Nice little bass there at the end.
Dude, that I where,
That's how I like my bass.
Yeah.
dude, where has Avatar been all of my life?
Where have we been?
not listening to good music.
Apparently not, dude. Yeah. Hey, thank you everybody that has commented on our other videos for recommending that, because that was fucking great.
That was really good. I will say I'm having a hard time not just like jamming all of Avatar's like discography just like ahead of time, but I know people have made other recommendations.
I fully listened to 3 of their albums like over the last 5 days.
I'm trying to avoid it. I'm trying to purposefully avoid the songs that people have recommended. Yeah, so I mean, if you have any more recommendations, keep them coming for this band and any others. But that
one reminded me of the song called "The Great Pretender" on the self-titled album. Like, I was getting some vibes from that. I always say melody, but it wasn't really melody, but just the pattern of the way he was singing the vocals, it felt very much like that. And Great Pretender's a fucking banger too. So, dude, I thought the vocals were cool in that song, and that nice little riff that kind of comes out of nowhere, that boom way gimmick, dude. That's crazy.
Jason, what are you thinking?
Solid song. Again, like, his vocals aren't so raspy that you can't understand what's being said. The bass on different songs, it's very different. This one followed the drums more than, say, the rhythm guitar. So I mean, it gave it a lot of punch. It was solid.
Yeah, I think their production. We haven't talked about this really, but the production value of all of their songs is relatively high, I would say.
Yeah, like, audio wise.
Yes, audio wise.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't heard, like, I listened to Avatar Country, the self-titled album, and I listened to Harvester Gatherer, I think it's called.
Hunter Gatherer.
And I mean, Hunter Gatherer.
Yeah, I think it's Hunter Gatherer.
Is that right?
I think so.
I'm new. Hunter Gatherer. You're right. Don't come at me.
Don't crucify it.
Avatar Country. I apologize. But I mean, look. I mean, haven't heard a poorly produced Avatar song just yet. But I thought you were also referencing the videos. I mean, the videos are fucking they look great.
Yeah. I know people have really pushed for or suggested that we react to a live version of one of their songs. If you have a specific video in mind, definitely let us know in the comments. I was kind of hunting around for a live version of this song, but I just couldn't tell, without spoiling it, I couldn't tell which was the best one. So if you have any specific links you want us to check out, just throw them in the comments, and we may
pro video.
Yeah, professional videos preferred. Let us know. Can't guarantee we'll react to it, but definitely give us the suggestions.
Yeah.
But otherwise, that was a banger song.
Another great song from Avatar. Thank you guys again for recommending this for us. Hey, if you like what's going on here, give us a like, give us a subscribe. We're putting out metal content weekly, sometimes 2 to 3 times. We're putting out tons of videos, so please continue to stick around and check us out. Live long and prosper.
Take it easy.
Later.